Hey family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Candace. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you guys my experience with Triada. I'm also going to be showing you guys my proof of payment after I've withdrawn from this platform not so long ago. But before sharing with you guys all the good news, if you are new to the channel or happen to be viewing this video for the first time, thank you and welcome. I share content on how to make money online, and if this is the type of content you are looking for, then you are in the right place. Please do consider joining the family by hitting the subscribe button, leaving a comment below, and giving this video a thumbs up. With that being said, let's just dive into today's video. Today we are going to be looking at a website called Triada. This is how their homepage looks like. So what you're going to basically be doing here is getting paid for answering surveys. So you're going to start earning money for answering paid surveys on this website. So you can expect to get 16 cents in euros all the way up to 2.80 cents in euros per survey, but you can earn more depending on the amount of time you spend on that particular survey. I just want to scroll down and show you the cash out threshold for this platform. So you can start earning or claiming your reward after you have accumulated 4 euros into your account. You can expect to get your payment through PayPal or G codes. But with PayPal, if you are a new member, you must wait 10 days before your first payment is made. And then if you have made a payment before and you are doing your second payment, you can only wait 1 day to 4 days to get your payment from this platform. They also have a transfer fee. So they have a 2% handling fee for transferring your money to your PayPal account. Those are some of the things that you should be on a lookout for, so you don't say they robbed you or they were dishonest. And then with G codes, you only wait for 1 day to 4 days to get your gift code, because with G codes you are going to get gift vouchers or virtual gift codes with G codes. So we're going to look at the amount of money you can expect to earn on this platform. It says here for South Africa, PayPal South Africa, the minimum is 4 GBP and the maximum is 7.92 GBP, and for G code the minimum is 10 USD and the maximum is 10 USD. So the payment that you can expect to get per survey is, if you are doing a survey of maybe from 0 to 2 minutes, that means maybe 1 minute or 2 minutes, you can expect to get 16 cents in GBP, and from 3 minutes to 4 minutes you can expect to get 24 cents in GBP, and from 5 minutes to 5 minutes you can expect to get 32 cents in GBP. And you can also just look into that you can get all the way up to 2.80 cents in GBP if you have spent 36 minutes plus in a survey. This is the highest survey paying website or platform, so do take advantage of it. The sign up process is quite simple. You simply come here to join today and then click this orange button. And then after clicking the orange button, you are going to be prompted to a page where you need to put in your details, your email, your age, and your country and all of that. But because I'm already a member, it just logged me into their portal or into their homepage. So this is where I am logged in, and this is where you can expect to get your surveys. But before expecting to get surveys on this platform, you need to complete your profile. So you come here to profile and complete your profile so that they can allocate correct surveys for you that will match with your profile. And then thereafter you come here, this is where you get your surveys. As you can see here, it says there are no surveys at the moment. So yes guys, there are no surveys. And then this is my survey history. As you can see, I've earned 0.48 GBP, 1.36 GBP, and all of that. And I was able to cash out. I'm just going to show you quickly. This is my payout activity. Currently, I've got 0.00 GBP because I recently cashed out from this platform. I cashed out on the 27th of this month, not so long ago, and I cashed out 4.24 GBP into my PayPal account. I'm also going to be showing you guys the proof of payment into my emails and also into my PayPal account. But before that, if you happen to be viewing this video for the first time and have not subscribed, simply click the subscribe button down below. And if you are loving this video and getting value from it, simply hit the like button down below. So moving on to the proof of payment, this is what the company paid me. The money was sent by Send AP. It sent me €4.16, so in GBP. So I need to just convert it to USD. It was sent on the 28th of July, not so long ago. I think it was 2 or 3 days ago. It was sent into my account on Pokendas by Send AB, the company that pays us from Triaba, but the money is from Triaba. So I quickly want to show you my proof of payment into my PayPal account, that I received it into my PayPal account, and it's not only showing in my emails, but it's not in my account. So I'm quickly going to be showing you guys in my PayPal account. And yes, guys, and now we are on my PayPal account. I've got a payment from Send AB, as you can see right there, and then it was sent on the 28th of July, as you can see right there, and it was $4 or €4.16 in GBP. So I quickly need to convert that to USD. It was sent into my account by Send AB. So yes, guys, this is the payment that you can also get. You can get the link down on the description box for this particular website, and you can also look into other surveys that are similar to this. Take advantage of them and get paid. This can sustain your salary, or maybe it can just be a side hustle that brings you a good income. Enough have been said, guys. Thank you for watching. Until next time, have a good one.